Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki. I'm back again with another 1/500 scale airliner review, and today we're going to be looking at the Herpa Jade Cargo International Boeing 747-4EVRF. This is Herpa catalog number 518802. This is a 2011 unlimited release. Comes in the 2006 colors. It is registration B-2423 and is powered by 4 CF6-80C2B1F engines. Now, not too long after this plane came out as a model last year, this airline kind of folded. It's no longer around. If it is, then that's news to me, but as far as I know, Jade Cargo went out of business. Here's the back of the box. I'm kind of surprised that Herpa didn't do this one as a limited release. Seems like something they would have done as a Herpa Club special or something like that. Actually, it almost sounds like a sandwich. But here is the plane. Really beautiful, really nice how they, I don't know, it's just a combination of the green and the black letters and all that, just really cool. Like that little swooshy thing that they have there with the stripe. Got the roof hatch on it. Zoom in here. There we go. You can see the windshield wipers. Cargo door. Chinese or Hong Kong registration there. And the tail. It is all metal, by the way. Take a look at the engines. I like how they put the little tip. They made it silver inside there. Of course, it says Jade Cargo. On the winglets, it's got the little Jade Cargo logo. And then, of course, you can see it says Jade Cargo there with the registration. And there is the rear end there. I think this one, well, I'll turn it over. I think it has rubber wheels. Pretty good job on everything. Flip it over here. Of course, there's Jade Cargo there on the bottom of the nose. And oh yeah, we're going to check on that. Yeah, the wheels are rubber. They are non-rolling. Nice wrap around there. Good sharp paint lines on there as well. I think they came out with one of these a few years ago from Net Models. It's either Net Models or Big Bird came out with one, and but I think it was a different registration. It's kind of a pain to find, which seems to be the story on all these. I always say that, and that should be it for the bottom there. Go ahead and flip this one over. Good to look at it from the front top view. And that just about does it. Any comments or questions or anything like that, go ahead and throw them in the section below. And don't forget to throw a like in there. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Later, everyone.